after after eating buffet, now walking. Hey, why you're hiding?
The car is coming.
No, you're hiding. There's no
No.
car. After eating, eat all you can in Abe International Buffet. Now we're 2 hours walking and jogging. Oh my God, honey, why you're so snub? There's the car resting. And my honey. Is this 2 hours already? And this is our aray ko. Wow, finished the 2 hours. We ate 2 hours and then we jogging, walking 2 hours. Hello. Our small garden. Ay.